Good morning, people. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. This morning, I'm going after my bees. I'm going to get some honey. Now, the most important thing to me when you're fixing to work on your bees is your smoker. Now, I've been over this a dozen times, but I'm going to walk through one more. I get questions on it. To start with, what I do is I cut my cardboard where it fit down in the smoker, the same height as the smoker. Okay? Now, when I'm doing this, I take it off cardboard boxes. See the tape? Don't use that. I don't want plastic anywhere around my beehives for any reason. All right, now here's the next thing. I use old cotton cloths. A lot of people buy special smoking stuff. You can use dried grass, pine straw, you name it. It's up to you. Me, I prefer old cotton, blue jeans, t-shirts, wash rags, towels. But here's the trick. I keep this stored in my shed, and I don't have one handy right now. But I got a habit, if this is laying on my counter and I spill oil or something, then it's no more good for a smoker. Just the old tore up pair of Levi's, they all wore out, tore up, goes over there and under cover. I cut off a piece of leg. See how clean it is? These were washed before I brought them out here. Now what I'll do, people, is this. Take your scissors and cut it. I'll show you why in just a second. I try to prep all this stuff up first. I mean, anybody can figure out how to cut a piece of cardboard, how to cut a piece of cloth. And it just saves time, because I get aggravated when things get slow and people drag it out. You take your cloth on top of your cardboard. See there? And you take this and you roll it up as tight as you can. Okay? Kind of hard at times. You do that. Okay. Take another piece of cardboard. And you do that. And you keep fitting. Well, I can go some more. Now, force that down in there. All right. Now here's the trick. When you light this, it's going to smolder for a while. Now, if it's not real tight and you're going to be out there a very long time, you come back and cut strips of this. I'm gonna use that razor knife to save time. You cut strips with this. All right, when you get this cut, you can go here and get you a screwdriver or something slender, and you force this down in the cracks between the cardboard. There's just something else to take up the tightness. And believe me, people, once you get this done 2 or 3 times and light that smoker, it'll smoke. And it'll be there when you need it. See? That's all you got to do. Get all that tucked down in there, and then take your torch lighter, light your smoker, and go about your business. And that's how you take care of your smoker, people. Believe me, it'll save you.